Hey everyone, welcome to this class, and this time I bought something special about this class. The thing is that I'm going to start from the scratch, means from 0 to hero course. So this will be 0 to hero, means you're going to be hero in maths. My motto here is no more fear in maths. So you should have 0% of fear in mathematics. Actually, this course is for means from lower section to the higher section, means up to class 10 whatever. So I have seen many students, those who are in class 8 and 9 and 10, they get a lot of fear. The reason behind is they don't know the basic knowledge. Since they learn the mathematics, I don't know, because of some reason they are not so good in mathematics. But actually, I'm going to tell you that maths is super easy if you want to know. Still, if you don't want to know, then it's going to be super tough. So if you are interested, be with this class. I'm going to make lots of series of question, like whether it's addition or subtraction, multiplication. And one more thing, we will not just learn all this thing. This is just a few things that today we're going to learn this 3 things here. I'm going to make more series on this video so that no more fear in mathematics. So this will be under the 0 to hero course, means we can say 0 to hero classes will be there. And in this course, we're going to talk about all this thing. Okay, so don't worry, you're going to enjoy it and you're going to love this classes too much. And believe me, if you can learn these classes, means if you know these things, whatever we're going to talk from today to whenever, until I'm not completing the topic, you will love mathematics. Plus you're going to easily solve the mathematics and you can see the mathematics around you. You see, my motive here is to make you free from mathematics. I hope this is clear for you. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I'm going to start everything from the 0 to, okay? So this is your 0 to hero course. First of all, we're going to learn addition. And now some of you may be thinking that you know addition. You see how much you will be like intelligent, smart. I don't know. If you are very intelligent or something, always first listen, then you react. Okay, some of you may be thinking that, oh, I will teach now addition and you will just go off, means you will close the video. Don't do this one. If you want to learn, see from beginning. Okay, this actually I'm going to start from the scratch, as I said. So I will be teaching you the basic mathematics, means basic addition first, and then we're going to solve, like still, like out of 100, if I say, like almost like more than 70 to 80% students, they still use their finger to count. And I'm just surprised, like in mathematics you should use your brain to count all this thing. I hope this is clear for you. So we're going to start addition, and in this addition I'm going to give you very simple. Okay, and as I said, how much you are smart, it doesn't matter. First you listen, learn and see, and then you react whatever you want to react. And as I said, of course, if you know the simple addition, it's very good. And then in this video we're going to talk some shortcut tricks to calculate faster, means you can calculate in your brain. So I hope you're going to like this video. So let's start addition. This is for like 1 2 3 whatever class maybe you will be. We have learned this one, like 1 plus 8, how to add this one. So very simple. Plus means this is a plus, addition. You see, it's very simple. In lower classes you may counting like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6. You will count like till 8 whatever maybe, and then 8 again you will count together, isn't it? So this time we are not going to do simply. You see, you can count like that, 8 but you can do one thing, like 8 we know that 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, let's think that you are in class 1, you don't know. So we can see like 8 means we're going to draw 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Again we're going to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We're going to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. You see, we got how much? We got 16. So out of the 16, we're going to write this one here 6. You see one left. Can you see this one? As whatever one left, we're going to write this side 1 plus this one. Add all these 3, it will be 3. So what is the total sum? 36. I hope this is clear for you, those who are in a small classes. And if you don't know then this one, then now you can learn this one. You can, okay, if you want to try more, let's try one more. Like I'm just writing 19 plus 19. Here already I wrote 888. Okay, so the 8 is there, one more number I'm adding here. So if you count this one all, you're going to get 18. How much you will get? 18. So 8 I wrote. So 1 left. So I'm going to write to 1 here and we'll count 1, 1 and 1, 3. So you see, we got how much? 38. Now this one you may know about this. Okay. But in a higher class, what happens? Like you can get like this also 1 plus 19. Okay. So what you need to do is very simple. You see, we're going to add first this two number. Okay. We're going to add this first two number. 9 plus 9, same thing like we got here. How much? 18, isn't it? So I'm going to write 8 and then one hand remaining, isn't it? One hand left. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and plus 1, 3. So you should know about this. Now I'm going to give you, if you have counting habits in your finger, let me give you some better idea. Now you see this number 19. Okay, 19 is nearby to what number? 20. You see, 19 is nearby to 20, isn't it? But not 20, it's 19. But we're going to take as a 20 nearby number, and 19 is there. So I'm going to write 19. You see, we can easily add this one. We can say 39 directly counting 0 9 0 1 2 plus 1 39. But exactly here 20 is not there because it was 19, one less. So just minus 1 from 30 means 39. You got how much? 30. You can calculate this one in your brain properly. This is not for the like paper. You know, you are not going to write like this in paper. I'm telling you in your brain the way I do, and I can say like I can do some like some good speed I have in calculating this thing. I don't know the biggest number like 4 5 number. I don't know. I have not invested in that one because I don't think that's necessary. But basic knowledge you should have. That's why I'm giving you this. Now you see, it's very simple. 38, isn't it? You have to do this one in your brain. I hope you are getting my point. You should do in your brain because your brain is much more faster than your finger. It's very simple. Okay. So those who are in the lower classes, for example, okay. Otherwise, you can do one more thing. Let me give you one more point. Okay. I'm going to drop this one. I'm just moving it up. Okay. Let me give you some fresh one like 32. Let's see. Let's say 72. Let's say 85. Let me add this one. How you going to add all this thing? You're going to count 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 8. You're going to write 8, and then again this thing. No need to do in this way. If you want to do in a faster way, you think like this. This is 30 plus 2. This is 70. So it will be 70 plus 2, and this is 80 plus 4. Now you just see 3 plus 7 is 10, means 30 plus 70 is 100, 100 plus this is your 180, isn't it? And this side, how much? 2 plus 4, this is your 8. So you can just see, you can just try. If you try properly, then you can calculate in your brain also this one. I don't think this is easy, or means this is very hard. This is very easy if I guess. If not easy for you, then you can go for it in your traditional way there, the way you learn. Okay, I hope this is clear for you. And now you can practice this one by yourself. Practice by yourself. Practice by yourself. How? I'm just writing myself. You should write you, but I just wrote in yourself. You just write randomly any number and just add it. Simple, this much. You don't have to go through many number. Okay, I hope addition is clear for you. So those who don't know, you just learn addition properly. It's a very basic thing. Okay, so okay, now without wasting time, I'm going to learn. I'm going to teach you. We're going to learn about subtraction. Okay. Now let's talk about subtraction. You see, subtraction, I know that many of you know about this thing, but I'm trying to teach you to calculate mentally. Okay, mental calculation is the fastest. Mental calculation. I'm not. Try to do this one. Okay, if you know the basic, let's learn the traditional way we learn since when we touch our book. Let's say suppose 36 and then I'm going to write 24. Okay, let's suppose single number only. You see, if I minus 3 minus 2, it means that 1, 2, 3 and 2 is downside. We're going to cut 1, 2. How much left? Only 1. So I'm going to write 1. So this is your answer. You know about this. I know it's pretty easy. Of course, yeah, some of you may be thinking what we are learning now. But as I said, we're going to learn from the scratch. Okay, so that's why I'm giving you this. Okay, let's see the another one. Let's suppose 36 and let's minus this one. You see, 6 minus 4. It means that you can write 6. You can say suppose you 6 finger with you and 4 you cut down. Minus means cut. Okay, so 4 cut, how much left? 2. And 3 minus 2 is, we know that 1. 3 minus 2. How much? 1 only, isn't it? So this is our answer. We can say this one. Now, this is not that much tough. I hope this is easy for you. Calculation. Okay. Now just see, we're going to do something like this. Like for example, I'm going to write 30 and then 4. You see, always write in this direction. You should be writing in this direction only, means like this one. Now let's see this one. Total number is 13 minus 4. We can write like this 13 times like this and then we can cut 4 anything. Okay, this is not exactly 13 but you can write like this. मतलब 13 लिखेंगे और उसे बस 4 है जो माइनस कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे तो लेकिन अगर एक्चुअली देखो, if I see the actually, you see here it's 3, isn't it? And there is 4. This is bigger, isn't it? If this is bigger, so we have a problem over here. If this is bigger, so we're going to take this one, will take 1 and this will become 13. Well, just 13 minus this is how much? 4. 9 only. 9 is your answer. But let's take some bigger number like 56 and 29. Okay, now let's minus this. 6 minus 9 is not possible, so it will take 1 and it will become 16. How much? 16 minus 9. Okay, now you think here, always try to take a base number 10, 20, 30 like that. You see properly here, it's 9. We're going to minus, so let's think that one is a 10. Yes, you can if you want to take. And 16 minus 10 is how much? 6. But actually this is not 10, it's a 9. Okay, so you just minus it, like 16 minus 9, how much? Like you need, okay, in minus you need to plus, okay, on the minus. That's why, because one more extra plus, now it's not plus, it's minus. Otherwise you do in simple way. 16 minus 9 is how much? It's very simple. You just count like this, 16 and the 9, you'll be getting 7. Okay, because as I said, 16 minus 10 is a 6. As we take one more we took 9, 10. 10 is more than 9, so that's why 1 plus. Okay, and as it transfer 1, so it will become 4. How much? It will become 4. So if 4 minus 2, this will be 2. So you see, this will be 27. Okay, I hope this is clear for you. Otherwise you can same thing like Same number we can write like this. If your number is written like that, then you will see this first two. 6 minus 2 is your 4 and 3 minus 1 is your 2. This is your answer for the subtraction, and I hope subtraction is clear for you. Let's see the multiplication. Okay, it's a very like as I said, interesting, plus you're going to love this. Okay, let's take multiplication. Okay, we know multiplication. Okay, before starting here, if possible, then learn table. It's very important if you want to do more faster mathematics. You don't have to learn 20, 30. If I say, then you can learn till 9. After the 9, it's almost repeated number. Okay, so no need to worry about that. So let's see this one, multiplication. Like we can multiply 2 into 3. How much? We know the table. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. Actually, this multiply is how much? What do you know? What this is? Plus only. How plus? Because I said 2 multiply 3 times. Okay, it means then I should write 2 plus 2 plus 2. You see 3 times. 1 2 3. 3 times now. So it will be 6. This is actually your multiply. So we can just write. If you don't know the table, you can do like this. But if you know the table, then 3 2 we can say this is 6. Simple. Okay. I hope this is clear for you. It's not that much tough. Okay. Basic maths. This one. Now let's learn about this one. 1 1. If you multiply this one, you see 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1. You see this multiplying. 1 into 1 is your 1. Again 1 into 1. Okay, now as we wrote this one, we'll leave this one as a space. Okay, and 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1. So this will be, we'll add this one. Okay, we'll add 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, and this is 1. This is 121. Okay, I'm going to give you some very shortcut formula for this. One shortcut trick. I thought that I will make extra video. You want extra video? Okay, we'll make it. This one, I think extra will be better. Okay, let's not give you this trick here. Let's see the another example. If there is like some more number are there, we can do like this. 2 4 8 and 4 2 8 and 4 2 8. You see same numbers again. 3 2 you see we are not going to use this one. We will write, we will keep blank or cut. 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, and 3 is 6. So now we have to cut. Already 4 is gone, 3 is also gone. So we will write 3. 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, and 2 is 4. We will 8. We'll add this one. 8, 8 plus 4. You see 14. One hand. 8 plus like you can. Okay. You always try to add first where you get 10, 20. You see 6 plus 4 is there. So I'm going to add 6 plus 4 is 10. Very easy. 10 plus 8 is 18. And this side one more extra was there. So it will be 19. Okay. And then one more hand. 6 plus 4 is 10 and 1, 11. One hand and this will be 5. You see we got our answer. Do you know this one properly? If you know this multiplication. Okay. Now before you think too much about this, learn table. Without this, learning mathematics will be very like slow. So you must know about this one. So okay, till now this much. I think okay. Let me add some more example. You can add 11 into 23. You can just try. You see, actually I can multiply this one very faster. I will give you those tricks. You can just multiply 3, and I'm just trying to multiply in a shortcut method. Okay, shortcut method means you're going to try this one by yourself. Means in the next video I'm going to give you about this learning But now you see, I'm going to solve this one very easily. So it's 3 and I can write 5 and this is your 2. You see, isn't it quick? That's not means too much late. You can just calculate within seconds. This is some kind of Vedic mathematics, so we'll see this one in another video. Till now, this much only. You multiply this one by yourself in this traditional method. I hope this is clear. Please comment down below if you have a doubt over this thing. Those students, those who have doubt about this thing, you comment down and then you say that I'm not able to understand. I will try to make more video on this related to this topic. If you are in lower class and if you have so many problems about this thing, so I can make such videos. So just you need to tell me if you are interested to learn. Till now this much only. This is the first part. This will be the first part for this video. You see the second part video, and that's going to be, I'm going to show you some multiplication shortcut trick. I'm going to give you whatever the tricks that I know. Okay, many tricks are there, but we can learn whatever I know. I'll try to teach you all this thing. So thank you so much for watching till now. You see, keep studying and keep developing yourself.